Boris made like 4,600. Nico, damn buddy, more than 100% on that one trade, bro. You've loaded up, crazy. Wow, that's amazing, man. I hope you banked profits on that one. That looks so good. Yo, what's up, team? I hope you're all having a good time. Yeah, let's check some charts today. Let's see what we got. Let's concentrate on the big 8. GBP, JPY, GBP, USD, USD, CAD, gold, US 30, US 100, Nasdaq, SP 500, and oil. These are the most volatile markets. I mean, if you want to make some money, then stick to some of these markets, you know. Let's start with GBP, JPY. First of all, let's go to the daily, check the weather. What's going on? I mean, this shit is looking hella bearish, you know, like sellers are in control of the market right now. But at the same time, we're in an upward trend channel, okay? And it broke out of these trend channel. Broke out, retested, keep dropping. But let's see, I mean, we have a major support level, support and resistance level that we are testing right now, and it could probably happen that this thing will shoot up again. Okay, so right now I would not looking for sell opportunities over here, because it already made a big drop. And yeah, I think a buy opportunity here, if the market is pushing up, I mean, we have much more potential for the next target. I mean, we have some obstacles on the way, like this one would be an obstacle here, and this level would be an obstacle, and then the next one somewhere around here. Well, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's see what we got. Market is showing some sort of support over here, as you can see on the 4-hour chart. Price getting rejected over here, but selling pressure is high as well. Like, we're having huge wicks. Like, the buyers are instantly getting fucked over here on the 4-hour chart. Like, we have huge wicks to the top and to the bottom. So right now, let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Right now, this thing is ranging. See this? It's just consolidating in that zone. Let me give it another color. Right now it's ranging. So what we're gonna do over here is wait for a break out of this range, and then see how far we can let that motherfucker run. Okay, I mean, if we can get a nice clear entry to the top, if we can get a nice breakout to the top, boom, place your stop below that structure, and then yeah, let's see how far we can let it ride. I mean, this would be the first obstacle over here where price can probably turn around. So if price hit that target, you should maybe put your risk from the table, or maybe close half of your position or whatever. I mean, you can load it up on the way as well. But yeah, if it smashed through that, and maybe we can hit that one. So we're talking about maybe a 3-to-1, like 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 4.5-to-1. Maybe if we ride it to the top of the trend channel, we would have like 6.5-to-1 risk reward ratio if this thing is taking off. I mean, if you can do this with a 50% accuracy, ooh, you know what's going on. We're gonna make a lot of money. but even 50% rate with like 3-to-1 average risk reward ratio is good as well, and a 50% system with a 2-to-1 is good as well. Like, it is a winning strategy. If you can make 2 times your risk and you have like 50% accuracy, now you're making money. Like, I mean, let's say you're taking 10 trades, you win 5, you lose 5. When you win a trade, you make $20. If you lose a trade, you lose $10. So 5 times 20 is 100 minus 50. So you're still up 50. You know, that's good. But yeah, if you can make 3 times your risk, you're gonna have a lot more fun. I mean, making $30, winning 5 trades, making $30 is $150. Losing 5 is $50, so you make 100. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, so for JVP/JPY, I would really check out what price is doing. If it breaks out, if you can get a nice clear breakout, you can buy this thing. And yeah, of course, if it really wants to break out to the downside, of course you can sell as well and place your stop above the structure. I mean, both ways, both things can happen. That's why it's so important for you to not just hop in. Look for confirmation, guys. Look for confirmation. Let the market tell you that now is the time where it's moving. You know, wait for a clear break. You want to see a clear break on all time frames, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and especially on the 5-minute and 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart. It's really good that if you're waiting for the close of the candle to avoid false breakouts, because sometimes the market is just spiking into that zone, tricking buyers and then fuck them up, you know. I mean, everybody, you all have seen this a couple of times already. So yeah, maybe wait for a clear breakout to the upside. I mean, if the market is able to close above this, you can hop in. Well, if it can close above this strong resistance over here, you can really hop in. And we had this downtrend structure, and then you see this, how the structure got broken, retested, boom, broken, and then now, yeah, it's in that zone, guys. Wait for the breakout of that zone, wait for the clear break, and then hop in and maybe load it up on the way. Maybe you can make like 10 times your risk if you load it up, if you know how to do it. Yeah, let's see what we got on GBP/USD. First of all, let's check the weather, guys. It's very important to always see what's going on the bigger time frame, so you know what can happen, so you get a feeling for what kind of a trend are we talking about, where do we have major support and resistance levels where we should have an eye on and see what the market is doing to make our trading decision based off of what the market is doing then. You know, it's very important to understand what's going on in the market. The best, you can see this on the bigger time frames, the best, like the daily, the 4-hour, the weekly. These are the time frames that are most important to you. Like, of course, the smaller time frames are very important for entries and structure and all that stuff, but on the bigger time frame, you really see what you can expect. Like, you can really see what's going on for the upcoming week. Like, you can really expect what's going on the upcoming week, and then you can place your trade based on that, you know. Let's see, GBP/USD. It is at a major horizontal level, as you can see. A couple of bounces over here, boom, boom, and looks like on Friday the sellers got exhausted. Like, same story with GBP/JPY. We're on we are on a pretty significant level right now. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do the same thing. Like, we see what's going on. I mean, we have this. I mean, they pretty much move in the same way. You can see this right here. Like, we have this 2 weeks, and they pretty much move in the same way. Yeah, it's in the range right now, and all we gotta do is wait for the breakout, either to the top or to the bottom, and then let's see how far we can let this motherfucker run. Okay. I mean, we have some obstacles over here. We have this one. Yeah. Wait. So the ultimate goal would be like ride this thing to the top again. But yeah, we would have. Let me mark up the potential obstacles that we have on our way. Like, this is an obstacle right here. This one as well, pretty significant. Couple of touches over here. And yeah, of course, this one as well. And yeah, of course, a couple of others. Yeah, like you see all this lower highs. I mean, we have a couple of obstacles on the way, but yeah, if we can smash all of them, this trade got a lot of potential. Let's see what we have. I mean, when we having a clear break over here, placing the stop below that structure somewhere around here. This would be 2 to 1, nearly 3 to 1. Top of the trend would be 4.8 to 1. So, it's a pretty great trade with a lot of potential, guys. Yeah, let's see what's going to happen next week on that one. Let's check USD CAD. First of all, let's check the weather. I mean, we had this for a couple of days, weeks. We had this really nice looking downward trend channel. Boom, 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 boom. On the far, you can see it much better, much clearer. Pretty nice channel. Now the market is clearly breaking that level, that channel. So I'm expecting an upcoming upward channel, and the market is kind of moving in that channel. And yeah, we had this push, boom, first obstacle got hit, price returned to the breakout point. You see strong rejection over here, pretty strong rejection. And yeah, now it's building that kind of an upward structure. Let's see if we can get some more bullish movement, but I expect bullish movement here, bullish pressure. And yeah, you could wait for the breakout. You could wait for the breakout somewhere around here, and then place our stop below the recent high or low. And yes, see what's up. You know, maybe we're gonna have the breakout. We're gonna touch the top of the trend channel. I mean, having a breakout over here, and then placing the stop below this level. I mean, this is significant. Boom, boom, boom. We have a couple of touches over here. If this thing is turning around, then this is a pretty great support level where we can place our stop below that, because if it breaks out and if it comes back and break that level, then we don't want to be involved in that shit, you know. And yeah, so I expect some bullish movement on USD CAD for the upcoming week. Let's see gold. Gold is fucking around. Took some L's on gold last week. I was over trading, man. I was so excited after my vacation and I wanted to trade, and yeah, I fucked it up. I lost 3%. And yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna get it back this week. So yeah, what does the weather say? The weatherman says it is a fucking bullish market on the daily chart. It's touching, I think it's the 50 moving average. This is the 200, I think. Yeah, I got the 200 and the 50 on over there. So yeah, market come down and now it's moving in that range. And let's go down to lower time frame for our chart. See structure on the lower time frame. We had this bearish trend channel over here, then this bullish trend channel over here, and now price is at a pretty strong horizontal support resistance level. Price was taken off, got rejected over here, and now it's testing this level again. Let's see, man. I would love to see that it just keep flying so that we can smash the 2000 again. Something like that would be great. But of course it can move in that range as well until it really breaks out. And you gotta get ready for the breakout, because after a pattern like this, the breakout can be pretty strong. So we can catch a really nice momentum move on that one. Yeah, let's see what's going to happen. What we can see on the hour chart. Yeah, we had a nice bullish structure already, then it got broken, boom. Then yeah, buyers getting in control again, then sellers pushing all the way out. Like, yeah, it's ranging right now. It's ranging right now. But this was on the Friday close, of course it was ranging. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen. Maybe we can see liquidity grab over here. But yeah, if it moves above this one here, if it can close above this one, I'm expecting some buying pressure. And then yeah, let's aim the recent highs or this one or whatever. Like, let it run. I think the best way to trade is to trail your stops. If you got a good position, load it up and then trail your stop until the market breaks the structure and kicks you out of that trade. This way you can catch really the biggest moves, you know. This way you can catch really the biggest move, and yeah, you don't limit your profits. Like the upside potential, you don't know how much the trade brings you. This is a good thing, you know. So yeah, on gold, yeah, let's see what's going to happen for the upcoming week. What we can do over here. Let's see what we got. US 30, dirty 30. On a daily chart, we had this bullish trend channel, pretty strong bullish moving market. So price right now bounced off of a pretty strong support resistance level. There's a strong green candle, but sellers got back into control of the market again. I mean, let's check the 4-hour chart. No, wait, let's check. Yeah, let's check the 4-hour chart. Let me show you something. I mean, I've placed this trend channel like this. You see this? But if I'm gonna connect the dots from here to here, which was a significant low, ta-da! So we are at the bottom of a trend channel, and we are at a pretty strong support and resistance level. So, and it looks like we are having the market failed to do a lower low, but yeah, it's still fighting. So if we can get it, let's check the 1-hour time frame so I can show you something. Boom, boom, boom. Price came back, come down again, double bottom. We have a double bottom over here. So if the market wants to move above this one, maybe we're gonna shoot up. boom, and then maybe we can hit the recent high. So this would be great, or even higher highs, maybe the top of the channel. Like, we don't know, but we have to give the market the chance to do it. You know, if we're getting in, give the market a chance to do it. Yeah. Let's see what's going on US 30. I mean, it's the bottom of the trend channel. If we can get a nice break of structure, I would always wait for a clear break. Wait for the market to move in your direction with a strong engulfing candle would be great. As confirmation, of course, and yeah, check the structure, higher time frames, see what's up. Then go to lower time frames, check the structure. Wait for a breakout of a consolidation or break of structure or whatever before you make your move, and then everything will be fine at the end. US 100, what we have over here, daily chart, fat ass bullish trend. Yeah, we had a strong sell-off. This level didn't hold, was touching it, boom, got rejected strong, but it came back again, breaking out, testing the next level. This is a stronger level, I think. Price shoot up, came down again, maybe for the double bottom. Let's see what's happening. I think if this thing is continue to the upside, if this level is not getting, if this level holds, we see some buying pressure, we can buy this thing as well. I mean, US 30 and US 100 pretty much moving the same. US 500 as well. And we have the double bottom here as well, with some buying pressure. Yeah, these levels are not that significant. And we have this one. I would mark up this one as more significant. Yeah, but the rest are smaller levels. This one as well. This one is good. Boom. This is a level. And we have one more over here. Let's mark up this one as well. So yeah, price was bouncing double top as well. Boom, break of structure here. So right now it's still in a downward structure for me. Still a downward structure. We need to wait before we buy this thing. We really have to wait for the structure to break. I mean, if this is the double bottom, and we get some movement above here, then this thing could fly. Could fly high, and we can make some money off of it. But if this level doesn't hold, we can expect some more downward potential. But it looks like the market is really exhausting here. Let's see, because we had this huge retracement, you know. I mean, if you got this high, low, high, low, high, low. Let's pull up our Fibonacci from here to here. So we already had a 70% retracement. And then let's look at this one. This one says 80%, nearly 90% retracement. So that means that the bearish trend is getting weaker, because if the retracement is pretty strong, like 80%, 90%, you can expect the market to turn around really soon, you know, because the bearish trend is no longer that strong. If you only have a small pullback, like 40%, 50%, 60%, something around in this area, then you have a strong trend, and you can expect the market to break out and make a good move in your direction. But if it has a deep retracement, you're probably not going to get a big as a breakout. Yeah, let's see what's up on oil. What's going on oil? Daily time frame, weekly time frame. Price was bouncing off of that weekly level. Clearly, 2 weeks of downward movement, but the market is slowing down. If we check the daily, we have a pretty significant level over here. The price was bouncing a couple of times, and it looks like the market is respecting that level. The market is slowing down, kind of consolidating. On the 4-hour chart, we can see some bullish structure. Got broken over here, maybe for a liquidity grab. And yeah, let's see what's going on. Maybe we can get a nice push to the upside, and it's coming back to that level to break through. We will see. We will see. But yeah, I would really wait for the breakout. Because we have some selling pressure, as you can see, with huge weeks over here, and we have this week as well. So yeah, right now the market is indecision. We don't know what's going on, so wait for a clear break and then get in on the move. Let's see what we have on the 1-hour time frame. Boom, this structure already got broken over here. So if it moves above this one, if it moves above this thing can take off. Boom. I mean, this is a level, and it's touching it, and if it breaks through this, we can place our stop somewhere below this one, and see how far we can let it run. This would be an obstacle. This could be an obstacle. This will be an obstacle. Maybe we can write this thing to the weekly level again. That would be a 5 to 6 to 1 ratio. 5.75, something like that. If you make a bigger stop, maybe 3.5. But yeah, be careful. Be careful with your lot size on oil. This thing can move violently, like gold or Nasdaq or Dow. Yeah, the indexes for small account are pretty dangerous. You really need to know what you're doing if you trade these markets. So yeah, be careful. Yeah, have fun the upcoming week, guys. I wish you a profitable trading week. I'm sure this video was helpful. I'm sure we're gonna smash it. Let's see what's going on. Let me show you the Discord chat right now. I mean, look at that. We have some pretty nice results. Antoine, he was doing around 900 with a couple of trades last week. What was he doing? He made $100 in a day, and just on the morning trade. And what do we have over here? Some nice profits. Gregory deposited $1,000, made $555 in like what? My results from today. That's crazy, bro. This was last week, right? Yeah. Wow. 50% per day. That's good, buddy. Amazing, man. What we have over here? Rico made 40% on Friday. I think it was Friday. No, Thursday. I don't know, Thursday or Friday. Today is the 13th. Saturday is 12. Friday. It was on Thursday. He made 40% on just Thursday. 37%. Load it up. Yeah, he's new to the group. He loaded it up. How much he made? Let's see. Looks pretty green, man, on Euro USD. Around 3K, around 3 to 4K. Bomb. Good job, man. Matthew, what we have on Matthew? 70%, $70 profit. He was loading it up, making $600. That's sweet. Well, we have Brendan. Brendan made 3 grand. Took a couple of L's, but then had one big ass winner, 4,500. Won 3,500. Yeah, good job, man. Big wins, man. We need these big wins, man. Let it run. Yeah, he just doubled his account with a gold trade. Boom. Good job, buddy. And then we have this guy here. He nearly doubled his account as well with just 2 trades. It's amazing, bro. But he's taking a lot of risk. But I've seen him doing this a couple of times. Like, he know how to flip his shit. Yeah. Dominic, what he did like last week, 50%, bro, that's amazing, man. For all of you who don't know who Dominic is, he's from Switzerland. He already dropped me a video testimonial as well, and he's still pushing, man. Great job, man. 50% per week is fucking amazing, man. Just calculate the compound interest on that one, man. If you do 50% on a regular basis every week, sheesh, you're done after like 3 or 4 months. You're done, bro. Yeah, but 50% per week is heavy, guys. It's heavy, man. Don't over leverage your account. He's like 800 up. Great, man. Boris made like 4,600. Nico, damn, buddy. More than 100% on that one trade, bro. You've loaded up. Crazy. Wow, that's amazing, man. I hope you banked profits on that one. That looks so good. Wow. So yeah, this is what's going on in the results channel, from our group chat, where you can talk to everybody. So if you're not in the Genius Trading Masterclass course yet, you should really think about joining. It's money well spent. You have the course with everything you need. Like, you're gonna learn everything, and you're gonna learn all that money management system, trade management system that you need to become really, really profitable, like fat ass profitable. You know, if you learn how to load good trades up and cut losses religiously, yeah, then you can make easy a living on Forex. Easy. But yeah, you gotta put the work in it. I think it's a simple concept, but the emotional side is not that easy. So yeah, it's good to have people inside of the group who are helping each other. So yeah, let's grow this community and take over the world and make some money, guys, and rip these brokers, rip the banks, make some money, and yeah, have a good life. Enjoy life. So that's it, guys. I wish you a great trading week, and peace out.
When you know